Using Klarna with Amazon is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here for Klarna extension Chrome. Now click to open the Chrome Web Store site. And click to add the Klarna extension to Chrome. Once you have added the extension, click to open the Klarna website. Then, click to create an account on Klarna. So to create an account, you have to select the country of residence. Select your country and click to continue. Then you need to enter your email or phone number. After entering your phone number or email, click to confirm and continue. Otherwise, you can explore the Klarna website. It provides very useful services such as shopping categories, deals and rewards, how Klarna works, and help. Then, click on the I'll sign up later option. Now you can search for all deals and coupons here. Like you can search for Amazon. Also, you can find so many discounted deals here. Just like Samsung deal. Click on it and continue to shop. It will take you to another page where you find the details of your selected deal, such as the storage of the phone, its color, and you can also select your purchase option. After that, simply click to continue and make your purchase successful.